एडेप्टेशन मतलब क्या? हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में देखे, व्हेन एनी लिविंग थिंग survive in such condition which is a habitat of its living, that term is known as adaptation. मतलब जब कोई भी लिविंग थिंग एक एनवायरनमेंट को अडेप्ट करता है रहने के लिए, that mode or that term is known as adaptation. Now see, in last lesson, 7th lesson we have seen adaptation in plants. उसमें हमने क्या देखे थे कि कुछ प्लांट्स रहते हैं, कुछ प्लांट सरवाइव करते हैं प्लेन्स या हिली एरियाज में, कुछ प्लांट्स हैं दे आर अडेप्टेड फॉर डेजर्ट्स एंड देयर आर सम प्लांट्स दैट आर अडेप्टेड इन एक्वेटिक रीजन, मतलब पानी में। तो अलग अलग तरह के प्लांट्स रहते थे जो अलग अलग मोड्स ऑफ अडेप्टेशन they used to take adapting mode of different adaptation methods. In same way we will see animals also adapt certainly. Now see, there are some animals who live on land. आपको पता है कुछ एनिमल्स है जो लैंड में रहते हैं ना? What are the examples of land animals? Like cat, dog, lion, tiger, elephant. So these animals they live on land and so they are termed as terrestrial animals. Last chapter में भी हमने देखा था same, the plants that live on land are known as terrestrial plants. In the similar way, the animals that live on land are known as terrestrial animals. Now there are few animals that live in water. Can anyone give me the examples of animals that live in water? कोई है जो मुझे बता सकता है? Animals that live in water. So these animals are known as aquatic animals. Means they are adapted to live in water. The animals that are adapted to live in water are known as aquatic animals. And the animals that are adapted to live in land are known as terrestrial animals. Okay. Now there are certain animals that live in both, in land as well as in water. आप लोगों को पता है ऐसे कौन से जानवर हैं जो दोनों जगह रहते हैं, जमीन में भी रहते हैं और पानी में भी रहते हैं? कौन से जानवर है? कैन एनीवन गिव मी एन एग्जांपल? ओके, देयर आर सर्टेन स्नेक्स दैट लिव ऑन लैंड एज वेल एज इन वाटर. फ्रॉग, ठीक है, फ्रॉग पानी में भी रहता है, लैंड में भी रहता है, पर फिश लैंड में रह सकेगा क्या? फिशेस जो है दे कैन लिव बोथ इन लैंड एंड इन वाटर. सही है कि गलत? No, fishes only live in water. If we take them out from water, they will die. So, the animals that live in both land and in water, that animals are known as amphibians. Amphibians मतलब जो जमीन और पानी दोनों में रहते हैं, जैसे snake, frog, turtle, okay, tortoise, ये सब animals है जो दोनों में रहते हैं. Now see, I am reading the lesson. Millennia ago, animals were entirely different from today. This is because over the years the conditions on each have changed greatly. This brought a big change in the living world. About 5,000 years ago, the Sahara Desert was covered with rich grass and trees with giraffe. Sahara Desert आपने सुने होंगे नाम. It's the biggest desert in world. तो वहाँ पे क्या रहते थे? बहुत सारे जिराफ रहते थे, हिप्पोस रहते थे and lions रहते थे. Now there is a vast desert and we cannot find these animals there. मतलब जैसे जैसे years pass out हो रहे हैं, the animals are reducing in numbers. ठीक है, जो animals, yes, बहुत साल पहले क्या होते थे, animals की quantity जो रहती थी वो बहुत थी. अभी when the years are passing out, the quantity of animals are decreasing day by day. Animals change themselves with the changing habitats or move away to places where they are suited to live in. Animals क्या करते हैं? अपने हिसाब से जो जगह उनको सूट होता है वो जगह में मूव ऑन होते हैं. ठीक है, एक जगह में नहीं रहते हैं, अलग अलग जगह में मूव ऑन होते हैं इन सर्च ऑफ वाटर एंड शेल्टर. जहाँ उनको कंफर्टेबल लगता है वो जगह में वो मूव ऑन होते हैं. This is because animals live only in places where their basic needs like food, shelter, protection and reproduction can be satisfied. So animals start moving according to their living standards. In order to survive in a given habitat, Animals need to be able to adjust themselves to conditions of that habitat. The changes that a living thing make in its body features in order to survive in habitat are called adaptation. Earlier I told you what is adaptation. Adaptation is a term in which plants or animals suit themselves for better food, shelter and reproduction. जहाँ पे वो अपना अच्छे से उनको खाना मिल सके, रहने को जगह मिल सके, वो सर्वाइव कर सके, that term is known as adaptation. That environment is known as adaptation. Understood? On next is terrestrial. I told animals living in land are called terrestrial. Animals that live on water are called aquatic, and animals that live in both are known as amphibians. Now see, there are some arboreal animals. What are arboreal animals? Next type is arboreal animals. Arboreal मतलब some animals that live in tree. ठीक है, कुछ एनिमल्स है जो ट्री में रहते हैं, जैसे मंकी, स्क्विरल, ये आपने देखे होंगे, ये ज्यादातर ट्री में रहते हैं. पोला बेयर्स, ये सब क्या करते हैं, ट्री में रहते हैं. Such type of animals are known as arboreal animals. And the fifth type is aerial animals. What are aerial animals? Animals that always fly on air. These are known as aerial animals. कौन कौन से animals है जो fly करते हैं at greater heights? Can anyone tell me? Eagle, vulture, certain birds, bat, butterfly. तो ये सब जो birds है जो हमेशा fly करते हैं, they are known as aerial animals. Understood? So we have seen 5 types of animals: terrestrial, aquatic, amphibians, arboreal, aerial. Terrestrial means animals that live on land. Aquatic means animals that live in water. Amphibians means animals that live in both, that is land and in water. And arboreal means the animals that live in tree. Understood? And aerial means the animals that fly in air. Understood till here? सबको यहाँ पे समझ गया different types of animals?